How to use H-1B AI functionality. Step 1. Creating an H-1B case. After logging into the system, the first thing you'll want to do is create an H-1B case. Choose the appropriate case profile. Click on Share Case with Client to invite the beneficiary and petitioner to provide the necessary case information. Once the case is created, you'll be directed to the case page. On the case page, you can click on Forms to access different versions of the required forms. In the To-Do section, you'll find a list of tasks and worksheets that the attorney needs to complete. The Ongoing section lists tasks and worksheets that the beneficiary and petitioner need to complete. These tasks are pre-configured by the system, but you can click on Edit to modify task assignments or share tasks with relevant individuals. Step 2. Managing resumes in the H-1B case. After creating the H-1B case, navigate to the Ongoing tab, where you'll find the Resume task. Click Upload to submit resumes. You can choose files that were previously uploaded or click Add to upload new ones. Once uploaded, the task will appear in the To-Do section, indicating that it's awaiting review by the attorney. Attorney can click the Edit button to make edits. If the attorney identifies any issues with the task, they can click Decline and provide reasons for rejection. Clicking Accept signifies that the task has been completed and it will be moved to the Done section. Step 3. Using H-1B AI functionality to generate a petition letter. Following the successful document upload, click on Docs to access the H-1B AI attribute petition letter. Click View to enter the AI page. On the AI generation page, you can search for the corresponding occupation title in Occupation Title. Select the content you wish to include in the petition letter and provide the company's website. If you haven't uploaded a resume in the previous resume task, you can upload it in the Resume File section. If you've already uploaded it, select the file from the drop-down menu. If there are any additional details you want to emphasize, you can enter them in the Anything you want to emphasize specifically section. Click Generate, and the AI will automatically generate the content. Please wait for about 60 seconds until all indicators turn green, indicating a successful AI petition letter generation. The above steps outline how to generate an AI petition letter. Once successful, you can proceed with further actions on the AI page. Editing AI attributes in the petition letter. In the Profile Attributes section, click on the relevant profile attributes to be automatically redirected to the corresponding section of the petition letter. You can also directly edit profile attributes within the petition letter. Petition letter attributes are divided into 4 parts: company description, job description, education background, and employment history. Click Part to jump to the relevant section's content, and click Edit to make edits to that section. Changing font format and printing. After confirming that the petition letter content requires no further edits, click the Edit button to change the font format. You can make text bold, italicize it, change font colors, and more. Once you confirm that the petition letter content and format are satisfactory, click Print to proceed with printing. Click Save, and each edited version can be viewed in the version history.